Living here is like living in a resort. You know, they advertise resort-style living, and it really is.
I think the Colonial Heritage is a beautiful place to live. I've chosen to live here. I'm glad I've chosen to live here. I recommend it to a lot of people.
For this community, I think it's just the total package. It is the sweet life. The location is great. I mean, Williamsburg has so much to offer, but in here, it's not just the home, it's the whole lifestyle. There's so many groups and friends and activities and
yeah.
just everything that captured our hearts.
It was easy to see that the value here far exceeded the value of the community in which we lived. A world-class golf course, an indoor pool in the winter, a fitness center, a wonderful clubhouse. The value of feeling like you live someplace that's really special.
I love my job, but at the end of the day, I cannot wait to get home.